Hey there, homeowners! It's me again, Phoebe, for another episode of MF Home TV. I'm pretty much excited for today's episode because we will be throwing a house party. So, sa mga may plano dyan na magpa-party but don't actually know where to begin with, because it's either you're not an expert in throwing or organizing a party or you have very limited time and resources, don't worry, because this video is actually for you. I will be sharing quick ideas on how to pull off the best house party ever. Pero syempre, don't forget to like, subscribe on our channel, and click on that bell for you to stay updated. Let's get the party started! Whether it's alcoholic or not, a festive beverage counter will definitely level up your party. So find a table and place it in your entryway, your living room, or your dining room, wherever it fits best. And you can use a trolley for convenience. If you're going for an adult kind of beverage area, you may arrange your bottles of liquor here nicely. For other liquids like fruit juices, maybe tonic or soda water, you can place them in dispensers. We have these at our stores. Looks classy, di ba? You can also find glassware for your drinks at Mandawi. Then goes the fun part, the garnishes. Arrange a variety of garnish choices like citrus wedges, cherries, olives, and more. For a non-alcoholic variety, place choices of juices or beverages in dispensers or even punch bowls with pieces of fruit. It's also a great place to loosen up and socialize. Next, your desserts. This is more like your beverage counter, but better. Desserts can also be used as a decoration or an ornament because they're actually very beautifully decorated. And who doesn't like desserts, right? You can pull off a 5-star dessert display by incorporating layers. Use different heights of serving dishes like a cupcake stand, cake pedestal, or even DIY platforms using boxes and more. Kids and adults alike will love this. Your party will be known as the Party of the Year. Everyone loves taking photos at parties, so placing a photo booth in your house is actually going to be a winner. Pick a corner or a wall in your home that you can fix up and turn into a photo op area. Now, depending on the theme of your party, you can decorate it any way you like. An easy way to fill in the backdrop is to cover the wall with tassel curtains. You can also fill it with huge paper flowers. Then, you might prefer also to place a banner greeting in the middle. Don't forget to add props that guests can use when taking funny photos. Now, if you're going for a more formal kind of party, a beautiful flower arrangement will do the trick. So, shop for fresh flowers and grab your chosen vase or vases. You don't really need to follow a color scheme because flowers usually will go great with each other regardless, unless it's your artistic choice to go with a color scheme. Remove excess leaves and damaged petals from the flowers and cut the end of the stems to keep them healthy. You'd want to find a container that could fit inside your vase, like a plastic bottle. This is to hold water for the flowers. Then you can arrange your flowers accordingly. Don't forget to have a couple of greenery to fill your arrangements to make it look fuller. You can use fern, eucalyptus, etc. There, now you're set for a formal dinner party or even just a romantic dinner for two. Loot bags are for kids and adults alike. Who doesn't like free stuff, right? It's fun to plan out these small gift bags, especially when your party is themed. For example, in a Halloween bag, you can place toy spiders, gummy worms, and eyeballs. If you're going for a more minimalist approach, party favors are your best bet. These are small souvenirs that your guests can take home to remember your party by, like small figurines or personalized gifts. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and throw the best house party and give your guests the best and most fun time. But before you start the planning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay updated. And also be updated with the latest from Mandawi Foam by following us on our socials on Facebook and Instagram. Till next time, homeowners. See ya! Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize.